immediate addressing mode will hold. Okay. So if it is 3 byte long, then 2 operand is present. If it is 3 byte is long, 2 operand is present. Okay, sorry. If it is 2 byte long, then it contains 1 operand. If it is 3 byte long, then it contains 2 operand, or 2 operand is present there. Let us discuss how it will. First, let us see. If 2 byte long, then 1 opcode is there and 1 operand is there. If it is 2 byte long, okay. If it is 2 byte long, jodi 3 byte long hobo, then what happen? It contain 2 operand, or 2 operand is present there. 2 operand is present there. बुझेला? If it is 16-bit operation, if it is 16-bit operation and 3 byte long, बुझेला? एटा हूँ तार बेसिक जिनस. फास्ट आम देखा हाउ ए 16-bit operation will be functioning in a addressing mode. Okay. जिते बड़े आम MVIA, लिखुले, ओके, दिस इंस्ट्रक्शन इज कॉल्ड as your immediate addressing mode. Immediate addressing mode, and you can also tell that immediate data. Okay, so what happen if a move operation is there? Okay, all the data from register B, okay, all the data from register B will move to the A, which is your accumulator. Okay, which is your accumulator. This is all about immediate addressing mode. Next, we have to see register addressing mode. Register addressing mode, or you can also tell that register data. Okay, 2 types of register addressing mode are there. One is your destination. Okay, this is 2 types. One is your destination and another is your source. Okay, तो फास्ट आम देखा रजिस्टर एड्रेसिंग मोड रे डेस्टिनेशन आ सोर्स ए दुईटा जिनस केमिति से फंक्शन करे, केमिति से इंस्ट्रक्शन निए, केमिति से गोटे जगह आउ गोटे जगह को कॉपी कराए देखिबा. सो सोर्स मीन्स समथिंग you have to, okay, something the data is coming. Okay, जोठू आमे किछि कॉपी करिबा that is source हैला. जोठू आमे किछि कॉपी करिबा that is source. बुझेला मो कहया कथा हैला something we have to copy that is your source. Okay, so if source is something we have to copy, then what is destination? It will copy from source and reach out the destination. Reach out the destination. बुझेला सोर्स से कौन हम आमे समथिंग आमे किछि कॉपी करि परिबा, किछि मीन्स किछि डेटा आमे आनी परिबा, किंतु डेस्टिनेशन आमे कौन करिया से डेटा को आमे यूज करी आमे ता डेस्टिनेशन पॉइंट को पहुँचीबा. बुझेला Then next is a register addressing mode. The operand is a general purpose register. Okay, whatever the operand is there, this is your general purpose register. बुझेला BCDEHL. Okay, general purpose register. Whatever the operand is there, that is your source and destination. General purpose register is there. Okay, general purpose register is there. Register addressing mode is generally 1 byte long. Register addressing mode is generally 1 byte long. That means only opcode is available in it. Okay, register addressing mode is only 1 byte long. Okay, register addressing mode is only 1 byte long, and if it is 1 byte long, there is no opcode. Sorry, there is only opcode is available, no operand is there. Okay, if it is 1 byte long, only opcode is there. Only opcode is there, no operand is available, only opcode is available in register addressing mode. या अर्थ होउछि जहाँ भी किसी आम ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करिबा, ओके, ताहा हेले only the register can do the operation. Suppose a register addressing mode is 1 byte long. 1 byte long means only opcode is there, no operand is available, only opcode is available for that instruction performance, or for that any instruction will perform. Who will perform all the instruction? That is a register. That is a register. So register addressing mode is almost like that. Okay, and register is used to do the operation here. Okay, register is used to do the operation. बुझेला? वर्तमान let us take an example of a register addressing mode. आमे वर्तमान गोटे एग्जांपल देखिबा केमिति रजिस्टर एड्रेसिंग मोड रे हला आमे डिफरेंट हला ऑपरेंड को आमे स्पेसिफाई करूचे कि आमर किछि गोटे इंस्ट्रक्शन परफॉर्मेंस होछि कि किछि गोटे आमर ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म हो. ओके, सो लेट अस टेक एन एग्जांपल इन रजिस्टर एड्रेसिंग मोड. सपोज a operation is there which is nothing but here add b. Okay, this is here general or general purpose register BCDEHL. These are called general purpose register. Okay, so what happened? We give instruction to the microprocessor in register addressing mode. Okay, add b is the instruction, add b is the instruction, and we give the instruction to whom? To microprocessor, to the microprocessor. Okay, what happened here? By default the accumulator will be here or saved. By default the accumulator, by default the accumulator will be saved or saved here. Okay, so what happened here? Suppose we take a is equal to 24. Okay, and b I will take that is 5. Okay, so here RB means microprocessor first go to the accumulator. Add operation means any operation means microprocessor first कोट की जीवो, it first goes to the accumulator. Accumulator means first it takes the value which is 24. Okay, माइक्रोप्रोसेसर फास्ट कोड की जीवो रजिस्टर एड्रेसिंग मोड रे फास्ट जीवो accumulator पाकू कोन करिया को ना डेटा को ता इनफॉरमेशन को ता वैल्यू को इंस्ट्रक्शन दवा पाए. ओके, सो ए इज